morning, family.
Good morning.
Wonderful morning, isn't it, family?
Yeah, woo!
Indeed it is. Indeed it is. We're just leaving One Africa after another extraordinary stay. And today, on page 35, we're going to take our affirmation as we've been doing for 10 days. I'm going to speak the affirmation once, and then we'll take it 3 times together like a multiple vitamin, a soul vitamin for cultivating consciousness. A couple of lines at a time. And Africa for the African has done a really great job providing these daily affirmations. I call them mind medicine. Mind medicine. Thoughts become things. Okay, the affirmation for today is: I am vibrantly healthy and radiantly black and beautiful. Let's take it 3 times together. I am vibrantly healthy and radiantly black and beautiful. 2 more times. I am vibrantly healthy and radiantly black and beautiful. I am vibrantly healthy and radiantly black and beautiful. Let's just kind of marinate in that for a moment. Vibrantly healthy.
Yes, talking about vibrantly healthy. Can you reflect on our?
I know Kobina's got some words on there.
Reflect on our One Africa journey.
Yes, the journey of a lifetime. Health is our wealth.
No, I'm saying reflect on our journey at One Africa.
Oh, okay, I can do that. I'm being requested to reflect on the journey of One Africa. And, it's the group, Amani. It's the family that showed up.
No.
It's a soul family that showed up here. It's not our first times together. You know how you meet people on the planet and you have this sense that you met them before? Well, you have. You know, it's called soul. You recognize your family when you see them sometime, you feel them. It's not even the words, it's the energy, the vibrations, the agitations, right? Such as this. We've come a ways. We're at the completing 3 days of the journey, and we've been building and growing and evolving and unfolding like a flower, you know? It's a beautiful thing, family. And it's, Bomani, it's not something that I don't know if you can capture it on Revolutionary Cam. I don't know if I have that words to articulate it, but it is soulful, it is beautiful, and very abundantly bountiful. Beyond what I could probably say in words, but I think you get a sense of some of the what I'm saying. You know, I look around, I see my sister Sherry from Atlanta, and she and Ro, my sister Nisi from LA, and something started happening and unfolding, and Brother Dale was like, I'm putting together this package, and you know, Africa for the Africans helped in that way, and not just the Atlanta family that I'm speaking of. Sister in Atlanta and Indianapolis coming up in here, Charlotte, you know what I'm saying? This is something that unfolds again and again. A beautiful yoga instructor, Catherine, bringing all that wisdom, and now that's right, all that wisdom, knowledge, understanding, you know what I'm saying? Serious sister that's just enhanced the journey beyond measure. And I just want to acknowledge you, my sister, myself, because you got some questions from Kobina. We have to keep questioning that brother like that, and he'll bring it forth. But yeah, Bomani, this has been the best of the best of the best. You got it from Sister Sass, the High Priestess Say Shock, Ya Obinyuwa. Okay?
Yes,
Yeah,
get better with time.
Yeah.
Yes, Sass, appreciate your energy, and we are set for the morning. And Kwabena, you have any reflections on the daily affirmations?
Now today, I'm going to make it open, and then at the end of it, I will sum everything up. So our sister here will maybe tell us something little about today's affirmation, and then my brother, I think if whoever has something to share with us today, I think we will open the floor in connection with the affirmation today. So then after that, I'll just sum everything up. Yeah. So give it up. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone?
Our affirmation today about being healthy, I think we would all agree that there are three kinds of health, right? You have the physical body, physical health, you have a mental health, and we have a spiritual health. That's that trinity. So body, mind, and spirit, we often say. That's our wealth. Without either one of those, with either one of those points missing, we would fall apart. We might have a healthy, strong body, but we may have an unhealthy spirit. We might not be well in our spirit. We may have a very healthy, strong mind, but we don't have a healthy body. So all three are necessary to really be strong. And what I would like to share with you, I shared this with some of you yesterday after our powerful naming ceremony on the beach. I was taking photographs as the sun was, before the sun set and as the sun set. And when I looked at the photos, I saw all of these orbs, O-R-B-S, orbs. They're white circles of light, all around us after one part of the ceremony. And I know what orbs are. They're energy. Some say angels, some say non-physical beings, some say the ancestors taking these different shapes. I know everybody has different spiritual beliefs here, but everything is energy, as Imacos said over and over again. So if you would like to see these, there are like thousands of them all around us. And I showed them to someone, not part of our group, and they said, oh, that's just water vapor, right? So I said, but look at this one prior to the naming ceremony. They're not there. We're still on the beach in the same place, but they're absent. So that person did not have an answer to that. And then I showed another picture, and there are even more. And they're all around us. We can't see them, but they're captured on film. And so the same person said to me, well, you know, you can believe what you want. And I said, yeah, we can all accept or deny. It's all right. I said, but the scientists have told us all kinds of things for years, and we accept that as true. Okay, I digress. I think I'm beginning to talk too much. But anyway, if any of you would like to see these orbs, my belief is that we were engulfed, surrounded by our ancestors at that moment. All of that positive energy, loving energy was surrounding us, and this is the documentation right here. These orbs are not just here. You know, they're photographs. If you go online and you Google ORBS orbs, you'll see lots and lots of photographs of orbs that people have taken. And we captured it here, Africa for the Africans. Very, very powerful what happened to us last night.